Today I am giving you a tour of 40572 West Helen Court in Maricopa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Maricopa, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Maricopa. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, 2-story home in Maricopa. This beautiful home features a popular open-concept floor plan. Here is the spacious great room with a sliding door leading to a beautiful backyard. In addition, this home has an internal laundry room and an oversized garage. The large kitchen offers 42-inch Timberlake upper cabinets with crown molding, a walk-in pantry, and Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. The flooring throughout the home is tile in all high-traffic and wet areas, with carpet on the stairs and in the bedrooms. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft that can be used as an entertainment zone or office area, along with 2 large secondary bedrooms. Other features of this home include an artificial turf lawn, plus a covered back patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Maricopa has a lot to offer, including charter schools, a variety of shopping stores, cinemas, and more. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The main suite includes an oversized closet, a double shower, and double sinks in the master bath. Thanks for watching the tour.